Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like every time I'm in my bathroom, I'm in this same pink pajama shirt and this same pink headband, so it probably looks like all these videos are filmed like on the same day. They're not. Anyways, I was just realizing that when I turned on the camera, I was like, I look exactly the same in all of my bathroom videos. So today is a lazy Saturday. I was actually planning on filming today, but I woke up this morning, well it actually started last night, and my eye, I don't know if you can really tell, but you see how like red and inflamed my eyelid is, and it's so incredibly itchy. So I figured I probably shouldn't put makeup on it for a couple of days. I don't know if it's allergies or what. It's not pink eye because my actual eye isn't pink. It's just like, I don't know. I was scratching my eye a lot at the gym the other day, and I think that really did me in. So I'm actually here cleaning my brushes. You probably can't tell, but there is the brush cleaning madness right there. And I'm in my pajamas and my hair is really dirty. This is 7-day hair. I need to wash it today. I'm going to wash it today. But I was going to put on a face mask, and I figured, you know what? Let me film it. Why not? I can at least do some filming today. So I'm going to be doing a couple of first impressions today. Actually, when I take a shower, I'm going to try out this for the very first time. This was sent to me by Octoly. In fact, all the products I'm going to talk about in this video were sent to me by Octoly to test out for them, which is super cool. So the Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampooing Micro Exfoliant. It has like a lot of stuff. Have you guys noticed that product names have gotten so incredibly long? Like, can't you just call it what it is, but they fluff it up with all these names? So this is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. But this really intrigued me. In fact, this was on my Sephora wish list because I was going to buy it, and then Octoly was so nice to let me try it out. But basically this is like an exfoliating detoxing shampoo for your scalp. So I go 4 to 7 days without washing my hair, and I use dry shampoo on those in-between days. And like it or not, that stuff builds up, cakes up, clogs up your pores, and I don't know if like my hair is thinning or if it's all in my mind, or if the dry shampoo is clogging my pores, therefore my hair is thinning. I honestly don't really know, but I figure anything to kind of help detoxify and clean out my scalp so that those pores can breathe and hair can grow better. Am I thinking right? I don't know. But basically this says, this creamy micro exfoliating scalp shampoo contains gentle coconut cleansers and vegetable-based exfoliators to gently remove dead skin and impurities from the scalp and hair. So there's tea tree oil in it. It helps restore balance and moisture to the scalp while soothing itchiness and irritation. I don't have itchiness or irritation. Like, I don't have dandruff. What I have is built up dry shampoo. Really, that's what it is. And sweat and stuff like that, which I guess is technically dandruff, but I don't have a problem with like flakiness, if that makes any sense. So the charcoal draws out impurities to rid the scalp of hair follicle and dead skin. Wait, what? Draws out impurities to rid the scalp and hair follicle of dead skin and product buildup. So basically this is perfect for me. I do use a clarifying shampoo probably twice a month, but sometimes I just want to try to mix it up, and I don't know. So I'm going to use this in the shower today. I'm really excited about it. Briogeo is a fantastic brand. I love their Repair Don't Despair mask. Oh, I don't know why I wasn't expecting this to be charcoal colored. It smells very minty. This reminds me a lot of, there's a shampoo by Lush. I think it's called Big. It smells like this. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like mint gum. So I'm definitely going to use this today. Stay tuned for an update. I might talk about this maybe like in a favorites video or an unfavorites video or something like that if I don't like it, but I have a feeling I'm really gonna like it. Just anything to kind of clear out my scalp. So yeah, I might use this and then follow up with their mask. So I'm not going to use this in the video because it's an in-shower product, I believe. Apply to wet hair and vigorously massage into scalp. Yeah, so also Double Dare. Is this Double Dare? Yeah, Double Dare sent me some really cool products to try out. I've actually gotten a lot of products from Double Dare. in the past. So this is really exciting. They sent me this little hair thing, which is actually what I'm wearing today. So I might save the blue one for a giveaway. I am planning a really big giveaway soon, so stay tuned. I've gotten a lot of just excess products. I don't want to say excess products because that sounds bad, but I got that giant PR package from CoverGirl, and I'm definitely not going to use all of those products. So I'm going to put some of those in a giveaway, and then I've been collecting products, buying products. So I am going to have a giveaway here pretty soon. I think to kind of celebrate my wedding, to kind of like include you guys in the celebration. So I'll throw that in with that giveaway. But in this little package, there's also a brush, probably to help you apply some masks. The bubble mask, which I actually did a video on this already that I will link down below for you if you guys want to check it out. It's a really cool kind of bubbly mask. And then I have two other masks. So there's a 3-in-1 peel-off mask right here. And then this is a 4-in-1 zone system mask. Let's try the 4-in-1 one. So this is the 4-in-1 and this is the 3-in-1. So we will try that out. I've also been loving this lip balm. This is a third product I wanted to tell you guys about in this video from Clarins. So it's the Hydra Essential Moisturizing Replenishing Lip Balm with Blue Lotus Wax. I have had the driest lips lately, like, I don't know, when I first moved here from Arizona, so in Arizona my lips were just always dry, like that was just life because it's so dry there. But when I first moved here to Charlotte, I found that my lips were like much more moisturized and I didn't really have to deal with dry lips. And then now all of a sudden my lips are dry again. So this has really been helping a lot. Clarins has some really good products, but this feels just so creamy and not sticky and not waxy and also not like slippery or anything like that. It's just kind of like balmy. Really good. So I wanted to put that on, but I gotta get my brushes out of the way. Okay, so let's try this out first. So it looks like there's eye patches, T-Zone Charcoal Clay Mask, then there's the U-Zone Clay Mask, and then the Moisturizing Finishing Cream. Awesome. I'm gonna just put some cleansing water on my face because I have not taken off my nighttime skin routine yet. I haven't washed my face this morning yet because I just woke up maybe an hour ago. So I still have all my nighttime skincare on. So I'm just going to use some cleansing water to kind of prep my skin. Okay, so step 1 is the eye masks, and this just says 24 karat gold eye patch is a soft hydrogel patch that nourishes the delicate skin under eyes, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. So I guess you just put them under your eyes, I imagine. I'm probably not going to be wearing any makeup today. We do have to run errands, so we get married in, I think it's 5 weeks from today. Is it 5 weeks or is it 4 weeks? I think we leave in 4 weeks, but we get married in 5 weeks. So, needless to say, we just have a ton of errands to run. Matt finally got his suit last weekend, which is nice, but it's being tailored right now, so we have to go pick that up. I think next weekend actually is when that will be ready to be picked up. But we just have all the like last minute finishing things. I kind of want to get everything done in the next couple of weeks, that way I'm not stressing like right up until the wedding, you know what I mean? So we need to go get sand for our unity ceremony. We just have lots of little things to do. So those feel really nice. They're really, I wasn't sure like what side was supposed to go up on my face. I am using the viewfinder as a mirror, by the way. God, my lips are so chapped. I have like dead skin. This video is a hot mess. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so there's step 1. Oops, that's not step 1. And then step 2 is for your T-zone. So it looks like your T-zone is this area right here. So your forehead and then down your nose. So this says, gently apply evenly in T-zone area. It's a clay mask to deeply cleanse, detoxify, and reduce the appearance of pores. I'm all about that pore reduction. I mean, who likes pores? Definitely not me. So this is kind of a small pouch. Oh, this is like a charcoal-y color. Oh, there's plenty of product in here. I guess you could use the brush they gave you for something like this, but I'm just gonna use my finger. It smells really nice. It doesn't smell like your typical charcoal mask. It almost has like a fresh, clean scent to it, which is surprising because usually charcoal masks I feel like have either a minty scent to them or just kind of like a earthy scent to them, you know what I mean? This one smells nice. It smells like shower gel. Okay, step 3 is the U-zone clay mask. Gently apply evenly in the U-zone area. Leave on all masks for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove the eye patches first and wash off the clay masks with water. So this one is supposed to help revitalize the skin and tighten this zone. This one feels really nice on the skin. Feels like just refreshing and like my skin is breathing. So this one looks like it is a pink color. This one smells like a clay mask. It has like a, almost like a Play-Doh scent to it. It's not bad, but it's not as pleasant as the other one. I've never heard of this area of your face as being called the U-zone. I've heard of the T-zone, but I thought the T-zone included your chin. I think it does, doesn't it? I mean, I don't know. I'll just follow the directions as stated. Okay, it's hard to tell, but there is that mask right here. It's just pink. It's like the color of my skin, kind of. So this does say to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead, is that right? Was it 10 to 15? Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off. So I'm gonna wash some of my brushes and then we will check in and wash this off. Here's the current brush cleaning situation. I'm kind of two-step cleaning my eyeshadow brushes because I don't know what's causing my eye irritation, if it's my brushes or if it's allergies. So I figured I'd better be safe than sorry. So I use like a well, you can use that just to clean your brushes. That's the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. So I use that first, and then I'm also gonna go in with the Beauty Blender cleanser soap to just like double clean the eye brushes. I don't know, that's probably too much and it probably doesn't do anything extra, but I'd like to think it does. So I already used the Cinema Secrets, look how dirty the water is. And then my face brushes I'm just gonna clean with the Beauty Blender cleanser. But anyway, thought I'd update you guys on that. Okay, so this is nice and dry now. Well, some of it's not dry. You can see like it changes colors once it dries, and then some spots are just kind of staying darker. I don't really know, but it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel these off. Ooh, my eyes feel nice and hydrated. This eye is still so itchy. It actually doesn't look as bad as it feels. It feels awful. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off. I am gonna wash my face, but then step 4 is apply moisture finishing cream to the entire face and gently massage. So this just must be like your daily moisturizer or whatever. So I'm gonna rinse my face off real quick and then we'll put that on. Ah, my face feels really, really nice. It was, I don't want to say difficult to get that clay mask off, but it wasn't like rinse and go. I had to kind of like scrub it off. So I'm just gonna put more lip balm on because that came off when I washed my face. This stuff is so good, you guys. This is like good for every day, just like, because it's almost like a lip gloss, but the lip balm is really good. Okay, step 4. Put this on. I'm wondering what this is going to smell like because there's been like a variation in smells. Ooh. Okay, this definitely has like a skincare, almost like a organic, kind of herbally, maybe like a naturally smell to it. Not natural. It smells like Whole Foods. Like, you know when you walk into Whole Foods and it just smells like Whole Foods? That's what this smells like. It's not bad. It's not my choice of smell. There's a lot in this. You could probably use this 2 or 3 times. I'm just gonna put a ton on. Maybe I'll drag it down my neck. Yeah, there's a ton in this little pouch. It feels really nice on the skin though. Alright guys, so that is it for this kind of chit chat, testing out new products, wedding chat. I don't know what I'm going to call this video yet, but I really like to do these kind of on the spot. I wasn't going to film, but hey, let's film anyways type of videos because they're just fun and I feel like we get to know each other a little bit better. So yeah, definitely going to hop in the shower and use this once I'm done washing my brushes, but I'm excited about this, you guys. I'm always looking for like detoxifying things because, you know, I already told you the story, but I'm gonna go ahead and test this out and I guess I'll talk to you guys next time. If you have any video requests, wedding questions, anything like that, of course you know where to link it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.